Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you create the custom background color in CapCut PC. So it's super simple. You are just going to select the PNG background. So go to media and select library, and here's just add to the track, and you can go to basic and scroll down to find a canvas, turn on and select color, and select a color you like to add background, for example. And after done, you are just going to select the overlay and remove the background. Go to cutout, auto cutout. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.